Hello, traders. FS Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on gold versus the dollar, I definitely still am looking at this as an uptrend. I still think it looks like a big 1, 2, and 3 pattern. I still think this 161.8 needs to be hit right around the 25.50 area just to finish off the wave 3 and eventually make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this trend that started way back here. So keeping an eye on that, let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's definitely still trending up. I was actually thinking that it was going to make a more proper three-wave correction before it did continue up, but the trend is definitely up, and it could easily just keep on going up towards that 25.50 area. Let's take it down to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, I was thinking it was going to go back down because this is definitely five waves. It makes you think that this is a wave A. It definitely makes you think that this move up is actually a wave B, and that it was potentially going to go back down for a wave C, maybe to the 38%, and then continue the uptrend towards that 25.50 area. I still think that this complete ABC pattern is still should be the most likely scenario. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So zooming out a little bit, I still think this is likely to be a nice five-wave pattern right here, probably ending right there for most likely a wave A. But now this definitely has five waves up. Kind of makes you think that this is only a wave A of wave B, and now we're actually going to go down for a wave B of B and then back up later on for a wave C of wave B. A wave B can definitely take out the previous highs. So I still think we're probably in a wave B, and I still think at some point after the wave B is over, we'll probably go down for the bigger wave C. So keeping that in mind also, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, if this really is a fifth wave right here, then this potentially could make a bigger push down. But I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because we have to recognize that if this is a correction, that it will most likely make a three-wave pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement level, then it will most likely continue the uptrend. But if this really is a wave 5, like I was just saying on the higher time frames, then it's actually more likely that this will make a pretty big move to the downside, potentially even taking out this low, making a much bigger ABC, because this would be five waves up for the big wave A, three waves down for the big wave B, then back up for another five waves, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame for a wave C of wave B. So definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels, keep an eye on price, keep an eye on structure, and you should be able to tell whether we're making just a small ABC correction or whether we're making this big ABC of wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.